Snipe Squad, what it going on, boy? I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones back with another video, man. Shout out to everybody who new to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button because we have a huge milestone to hit. We are very far away and I need all the contribution I can get. We trying to hit 100K, man, so hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on the gram so you don't miss none of the story giveaways that I do on my Instagram story, man. You do not want to miss that, and I appreciate you as always. As you guys know, if you seen my last video, I'm super excited about the new year, and I cannot think about another video to bring up at the beginning of the year than the most anticipated shoes of 2019. Now, I know this video might be a little biased because it's my most anticipated shoes of 2019. Hopefully you guys agree on a lot of the pairs, and if I'm forgetting something or if y'all got something that I didn't mention, let me know down below in the comment section because I read them all. And your boy not perfect, man. I might forget a pair or two, so let me know if I miss one down below in the comment section. Now, of course, to say the commotion down below in the comments, this is not going to be in any particular order because Lord forbid if I say a shoe at number 1 and another shoe at number 2 and somebody don't like it, I'm gonna be stupid and I'm gonna be an idiot. So just to even remove that energy from the comments, this is in no particular order. So we're gonna go honorable mention as always. It's always that one sneaker that's just about there but just not all the way. And in my list, that honorable mention is the Air Jordan Michigan 5. Now this sneaker is honorable mention not because it's not dope, but just because I'm an O State fan. I got it tatted on me, bruh, and I just can't do it, bruh. I just cannot do it. Now I did buy the Michigan 12s that dropped last year, and it was only for the review. I sold them for retail the same day as soon as I got done. I should have just took them back, but I knew somebody else who wanted them that didn't hit, so I just showed it to him for a retail price because I cannot be seen in nothing Michigan, bro. It just don't work like that. With that being said, I still think this pair of sneakers is dope, so if y'all like these, then they are dropping, or at least rumored to drop, the summer of 2019. Number 1, we got the obvious, most hyped, most sought after sneaker of 2019, which is the Jordan Bred 11. Now, as y'all can see, I still got my Jordan Bred 11. Hold up, I gotta get it real quick. I still have my Jordan Bred 11 in this. I often get asked the question on my Instagram live. If you guys have not already hit the notification bell, hit that bell because when I go on live, I have some of the dopest chats with you guys and I appreciate it. I often get asked the question, how do I feel about these Jordan Bred 11s? Do I like these more than the Concords? And I can honestly say I think I do, bro. Like the dope colorway, the Chicago Bulls colorway, the red, black, and white, is just so smooth. Now, even though I have the older pair with that stitch 23 in the back, y'all see that heel creasing, man. I'll rock these to the death. But yes, I will still be getting a new pair that's dropping this year. Of course, you know they got the higher patent leather, the 45 in the back, and I honestly like the high patent leather. This is absolutely one of the best Jordans 11 to ever drop. In my opinion, the Concord is like the iconic. It's the most iconic, but this is, in my opinion, the best. In my opinion, this is the best looking Jordan 11. Look at that patent leather, just shining like that, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to the next shoe. Coming up at number 2 is a sneaker that I've almost bought 15 times. Literally, no cap, bro. Like 15 times I've almost bought this shoe. And that shoe is the Jordan 4 Bred. This shoe is honestly one of the, I don't know what it is about the Bred colorway. It's super fire. That Chicago Bulls colorway is fire. Honestly, think about it, man. If Jordan played for the Seattle Supersonics, I don't think his sneakers would be as impactful as they are. He got so lucky to be playing for a team that colors were red, black, and white. I mean, that's a dope combination of colors. 9 times out of 10, people's favorite color is red and black, or black and white, or red and white. Ironically, he played for a team that had all 3 colors, and when you put all 3 shoe colors together, it's almost an unbeatable shoe. Look at the Bred 1, look at the Bred 11, look at the black cement 3s, I mean, Bred 4s. That colorway is undefeated, bro. Like, you can't really go wrong with that. So with that being said, the Bred 4s are definitely my favorite 4. A strong number 2 is the black cement 4s. I have those, but you cannot get better than the Bred 4s. And of course, they got that Nike Air on the back of the sneaker. So this is definitely, look at me, bro. This is definitely a must cop for all my new sneakerheads out there who wondering what shoes to pass on or what shoes to pick up in 2019. This is definitely a sneaker you don't want to pass on. And even though it's being re-released again, I highly doubt if this shoe sits. And I'm not the type to make bold predictions on shoes selling out, but I mean, bro, this It's fire, bro. I hope this don't sit. It's just too fire. It's the bread for it at the end of the day. But then at number 3 is another easy pick. I'm gonna get the easy ones out first, the ones that we know that's dropping first, and that is the black Jordan 6 infrared. This sneaker is fire as it gets. I actually own my favorite Jordan 6, which is the black varsity red 6. Now, as y'all can see, man, this sole is yellow as ever, bro. Like, look at this. This is come from wear and tear, man. This is the black varsity red 6. This is my favorite Jordan 6. If anybody know how to get these back icy, let me know. Honestly, bro, I might just leave them like this to just show the age, man, because this is a pair of sneakers, man, that I love. And I'm not the biggest fan of Jordan 6s, but when it comes to these, like I said, that black and red colorway, you really can't get any better than this, bro. But these are piss yellow. Look at that. That is crazy. So number 4 is a different one. I know. So number 4 is a little bit different. A lot of you guys know, a lot of you guys don't know. My favorite basketball player ever is Chris Paul. Now listen, hold up, way. I'm not about to drop no CP3 up here. That's not about to happen. I know I love Jordans, but the Jordan brand sneakers are not the best. I ain't gonna hold you, all right? So just relax. But what a lot of people don't know is Chris Paul, man, he's almost on his way out, man. Injuries is coming, nagging injuries, man. He's always hurt. I think he probably got 2 more years tops before he call it a quits. Sad enough to say, my boy CP is gonna be out the league. And with that being said, I've already got my number 2 guy. When Chris Paul gets about the league, my favorite player will be Donovan Mitchell. I love his game, super athletic, super crafty. Man, he really has it all. The reason why I'm bringing up Donovan Mitchell is because he is debuting his own signature Adidas sneaker, the Don Issue, man. Here we have it, the Donovan Mitchell Adidas sneaker, his first debut sneaker, Don Issue. Now, I play basketball. I wish I could play a lot more. YouTube kind of takes up my schedule, but I'm often always looking for great sneaker basketball shoes to play in, and this Don Issue 2 is definitely looking nice for me. I know a lot of my subs, y'all be challenging me on live to hoop, so y'all better know how to hoop with. If you do know how to hoop, I would actually look at this Don Issue 2 because Adidas is always great for price points for basketball sneakers. And like I said, it's coming from a basketball player that got a lot of talent and a lot of potential, man. So that is number 4 on my list, the Don Issue sneaker coming from my boy, my second favorite, the up and coming Donovan Mitchell. Let's get to the next shoe. Sneaker number 6 is a shoe a lot of people have been waiting for, man. I've heard a lot of rumors about this shoe back at sneaker cons from last year, and that is Adidas is finally working with Kanye West for a basketball shoe. Now, y'all seen one of my videos where I challenged my boy Big Holla in a 3-point shootout competition, and I wore my Zebra Yeezys. My Zebra Yeezys, bro. My favorite V2 of all time. Clearly, I lost. Clearly, the V2 is not a basketball sneaker, but Adidas is collaborating with Kanye West for a basketball sneaker. Now, I have no idea how much it's going to cost and no idea when it's set to release, especially with Kanye, man, being so unpredictable and not really having a schedule. He kind of drops on his own time. But here's an early picture, man. Here's an early photo. This is the best one I could find. It's a Yeezy basketball sneaker, man. How do you feel about it? Do you feel like you're gonna rock it? Do you want to be one of them dudes out there in layup lines looking fresh? My only thing is I hope you can actually play in it, because style is one thing. We don't need people out here getting injured, breaking ankles, rolling ankles, stubbing toes, trying to be fly, hooping in a pair of Adidas Yeezys. Now, I know for sure PJ Tucker gonna have them on, like that goes without saying, but if you guys one of them dudes that try to look good over hooping, man, hey look, get your buckets, and if they don't feel good, take them off. And since we're talking about Yeezys, this next Yeezy is a pair of sneakers that me personally, I'm looking very, very forward to. As y'all can see here, you see this Yeezy Boost V2. I thought we were done with the V2 silhouettes ever since he came out with that static at the end of last year, but we have a pair of Yeezys that's supposed to be glowing in the dark. This pair is set to rumored to release this year. Now, this is a V2, as y'all can see, it's supposed to glow in the dark. It does not have a specific name, and if it does, I haven't read up on it yet. I did my research, I tried to find out as much as I can, and it just wasn't anything solid enough for me to give you guys. What I do know is this is a reflective glow in the dark colorway, and it's supposed to be dropping this year. Now, do y'all think that this can bring the Yeezy hype back? If so, let me know down below in the comment section, because Yeezy hype has been kind of dying. The static kind of gave it some life because he remixed the V2 a little bit, and I really appreciated that from Adidas and Kanye. This though, glow in the dark sneakers always do well, so I think that was a good idea going towards a glow in the dark sneaker, and I'ma say it, I think the hype gonna be crazy. but who knows, man. On to the next sneaker. And last but not least, we gonna end it off with 1 and 2. The first one is the Air Max 90 Off-White Desert Ore, and second we got the black Off-White Air Max 90. Both of these sneakers are Off-White sneakers, of course. I think they retail for about 160 bucks, and of course we had to end it off with some hype, man. These Off-White sneakers are super dope in my opinion. I do like the Air Maxes. To be completely honest, I only own a few just because, man, it's so much heat that come out. You know, you gotta choose between this one, and sometimes you get lost and certain shoes don't get picked up in the midst of it. But regardless, man, I will be going after both of these sneakers. Will I hit for them? Probably not. Sneakers app hates me. They got a damn bounty on my head. They never allowed me to win anything on that app, so I doubt I hit both. But Snipe Squad, we gonna speak it into existence, man. I will be owning both of these pair this year. Now I know for a fact the tan pair, or the Desert Ore pair, releases January 17th to be exact. So if you guys are looking for that sneaker, be on your P's and Q's, try your best to hit, man. And that's really it for my list. I could have done the patent leather and baby blue Jordan 1s, the black and blue Jordan 1s, but I don't know about the patent leather Jordan 1s, man. I still have my gold toes here, patent leather, they still DS. I still haven't wore those. And like I said, this was my list, so I'm talking about the things I'm looking forward to most. Before we leave out, man, let me give a huge shout out to everybody who commented on my last video, man. I appreciate that the most. I had a very, very important message on that video, man, and I'm glad that people stayed around, actually watched it, and chopped it up with me. As always, man, you know your boy Sniper Jones. Appreciate you guys tuning in with me and rocking with me, and that's always. So if you want to be shouted out in the next video, right now, comment your favorite sneakers out of any of the ones I named for 2019. All you gotta do is comment that sneaker, and I will be sure to get your name up here on next video. Hey guys, that is it, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. We have a huge milestone of 100,000 subs to reach. Let's do that, because I mean, I believe we can do it. I know we can do it. Let's prove, for the doubters, let's prove everybody wrong. Follow me on IG, man. You sleep. I'm trying to keep it a bug with you. You sleep if you ain't following me. Follow me right now. Not only is it right here in the left hand corner, but it's also linked in the description, and on top of that, I'm gonna show it right here on the screen, man. Follow me. I do story giveaways that you don't want to miss, and I post some dope pics, man. So follow me, get with me, and if you get with me, I try to get back to all my DMs because y'all my family, man. Y'all my Snipe Squad. And until next time, man, everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? I love y'all. Dream big.